Bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah rabbil alamin wa bihi nasta'in wa ala umurud dunya waddin wassalatu wassalamu ala asrafil anbiya'i mursalin sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain. Amma ba'du. So in this very perfect occasion, in this beautiful place, I will represent my theology or teacher of the day with the material about insect. And let's moving on. So I'm gonna explain it first about what is insect. Insects, from Latin insectum, are hexapod invertebrates of the class Insecta. They are the largest group within the arthropods phylum. Insects have a chitinous exoskeleton, a three-part body, head, thorax, and abdomen, 3 pairs of jointed legs, compound eyes, and a pair of antennae. Insects are the most diverse group of animals, with more than 1 million described species. They represent more than half of an animal species. So there's a lot of species of insect in this earth. And then what they consume, just about anything actually. They can eat anything they want. So insects are opportunistic feeders that will chow down on just about anything they can get their mandibles on. This can include nectar, pollen, fruit, leaf, food, a wood, and even other insects. You know, this flower, there's a pollen and nectar, and there's a leaf. But don't worry, most insects won't eat you. Most, but there's some. And some of them are poisonous. Like last week, I get bit by tomcat. And there's a fun fact about a few insects in this world. So first is bee. Male bees in the hive are called drones. And then the second is dragonflies. Dragonflies are the fastest flying insect. The third is mosquito, only the female that sucks your blood. And then the fourth is spider. Spiders are not an insect. They're actually in a class of animal known as arachnids. So don't mismatch between animals and insects. They are totally different. And then cockroach. Cockroaches will still alive even when we cut their head off. We only can kill them by flipping them upside down, and they will die in a few hours. And then ants don't have a lungs and ear. If you don't know, lungs means paru-paru and ears mean kuping. And then there's more. There's beetle. Most beetles only live for a year, and they're a ladybug. They are beetles, not a bug, even though their name is ladybug, but we cannot call them lady beetles. And then there's butterflies. Butterflies stays with their feet. So if they hop on flowers to get a nectar, they taste it with their feet, not with their mouth or nose. If you see in movies or cartoon. And there's a fly. House flies can walk upside down. So it's like an aerobics fly. They can turn around in the air. And then centipede. Centipedes are ancient because in the Stone Age there are a big sized centipede, but right now we only have the small size. And then a scorpion. So disclaimer, scorpion actually is not an insect, but I'm out of insect to give out, so I'm just gonna add scorpion. So not all scorpion are deadly. So if you get bit by a scorpion in somewhere place, yeah, you are not actually 100% will die at the moment, in a second. And then now I'll explain it. How do they reproduce? Insects reproduce sexually or asexually, with some producing fertilized eggs and others producing identical offspring. All insects' life begin as an egg, and insects undergo metamorphosis, transforming from one life stage to another. And there's 2 types of metamorphosis. The first one is the unperfect one, and the second one is perfect. The unperfect one is where they go from a egg and then larva and etc. And then the perfect one is like some insects, they just born from an egg and then they get big. It's like human is imperfect because we just get born, and then already have a full body, like leg, and then eyes, ears, hands, fingers. Yes, Kamal, that's fingers. Yeah, we're imperfect and reproduce. Okay, and now I want everybody to listen to me. Just stop what you're doing right now for a moment. Okay, okay. Okay, yeah, that's good. And now just repeat after me. Beetles. 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 Beetles is kumbang badak. And then, yes, kumbang badak. Yeah. Okay. Wasp. 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 Wasp is tawon. Tawon. Butterfly. Butterfly. Butterfly means kupu-kupu. And then cricket. Cricket. Cricket means jangkrik. And then there's grasshopper. Grasshopper. Grasshopper is belalang. And then praying mantis. Praying mantis. Praying mantis is belalang sembah. I guess that's different. And then fly. 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 Fly is lalat. Lalat. And then there's ladybug. Ladybug. Ladybug is kepik. And then moth. Moth. Moth is ngengat. And there's lice. Lice. Lice is kutu. Kutu. Scorpion. Scorpion. Scorpion is kalajengking. Kalajengking. And there's centipede. Centipede. Centipede means kelabang. Kelabang. Okay, you already know. Let's moving on to conversation. I'm gonna choose one. Come over here. I be Mas Andaka, you be Alex.
Okay.
Okay. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Did you know insects make up the largest group of animals on Earth?
Really? How many types are there?
Over 1 million known species and maybe billions more undiscovered.
They must be important for ecosystem then.
Absolutely. They pollinate plants, decompose matter, and even serve as food for other animals.
Some insects can be annoying though, like house flies.
So, true, but they all have a role to play. Plus, their adaptation and behaviors are fascinating to study.
I never realized how interesting insects could be.
There's so much we can learn from them. And now we switch, and now I'm Alex and you Mas Andaka. Let's start.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam, Andaka.
Did you know insects make up the largest group of animals on Earth?
Really? How many types are there?
Over 1 million known species and maybe billions more undiscovered.
They must be important for ecosystem then.
Absolutely. They pollinate plants, decomp matter, and even share as food for other animals.
Some insects can be annoying though, like houseflies, right?
Sure, but they all have a role to play. Plus, their adaptation and behavior are fascinating to study.
I never realized how interesting insects could be.
There are so much we can learn from them.
Okay, thank you. Return back to your seat. And now let's call Laskar. Okay, just you're gonna do it one time, not like two times, twice like Kamal. I be Mas Andaka, you be Alex. So you can read right. Okay. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hey, do you know insects make up the largest group of animals on Earth?
Really? How many types are there?
Over a million species and maybe billions more undiscovered.
They must be important for ecosystem then.
Absolutely, they pollinate plants, decompose matter, and even serve as food for other animals.
Some insects can be annoying, though, like house flies.
True, but they all have a role to play, plus their adaptation and behaviors are fascinating to study.
I never realized how interesting insects could be.
There's so much we can learn from them, and then I want to ask you a question. What is beetle?
Beetle. Ben.
The meanings.
Beetle. Kumbang.
What? Kumbang what?
Kumbang badag.
Yeah, yes, kumbang badak. Ayo, gini. Wait. What is ladybug?
Ladybug. Kepik.
Centipede.
Kepik.
Mosquito.
Mosquito. Nyamuk.
Fly.
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 Fly terbang.
Ants.
Ants. Nyamuk. Semut.
Already. Okay. Go back to your seat. Okay, so maybe that's all my presentation on COTD. I just want to say thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.